What is this abomination? In this tutorial, we're quickly gonna install the old Google anti-gravity, which looked something like this. For this, we're gonna go onto our browser, type in this link, which is in the Google description, in the YouTube video description, of course. Scroll down and look at the versions. Everything which has a 1 in front of it is downloadable. Download it, and once you have downloaded it, you can click on it and open the file. I already have Google Anti-Gravity running, but you can close Google Anti-Gravity and go through the steps of installing it. It will do everything by itself, so don't worry. You're gonna have your old IDE back, which I think was quite good, but I used Cloud Code in there anyways.